The Alienware Aurora Gaming Desktop represents a pinnacle of gaming and multimedia performance, blending cutting-edge hardware with thoughtful design. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this gaming desktop in the description below at the latest price. Powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7265KF processor running at 3.3 GHz, this desktop ensures that even the most demanding games and applications run smoothly and responsively. Coupled with a massive 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, users can effortlessly multitask, stream, and create content without any lag or slowdowns. Graphically, the Aurora excels with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070, featuring 12 GB of the latest GDDR7 memory, built on the powerful NVIDIA Blackwell architecture. This combination brings ray tracing, AI-enhanced graphics, and ultra-realistic visuals to life, making it ideal not only for gaming but also for creative workloads like video editing and 3D rendering. Storage is well covered by a generous 2 TB SSD, which offers rapid boot times and fast access to games and large files, eliminating bottlenecks that can hamper performance. To keep the system running cool under pressure, Alienware has integrated an optional 240mm liquid cooling heat exchanger for the CPU. This advanced cooling system maintains low temperatures during marathon gaming or heavy multitasking sessions, ensuring stable performance and prolonged component lifespan. The desktop's chassis showcases a modern, matte basalt black finish with customizable Alien FX lighting zones. These lighting effects can be tailored to suit any mood or setup, adding a striking visual flair with the iconic stadium lighting design. Energy efficiency is another highlight, thanks to the robust 1000W platinum-rated power supply that delivers clean and consistent energy while reducing wasted power. This makes the system both powerful and responsible in its energy consumption. Running on Windows 11 Home, the Aurora provides the latest software environment with improved gaming features, security, and a sleek user interface. Finally, Dell backs this desktop with a 1-year on-site service warranty, ensuring peace of mind. If any hardware issues arise that cannot be fixed remotely, Dell technicians will come directly to your location to provide support and repairs. Overall, the Alienware Aurora Gaming Desktop ACT1250 is designed to offer an immersive and dependable experience for gamers and creators who demand top-tier hardware, thoughtful cooling, stylish aesthetics, and reliable support.